Hello everyone, welcome to the Financial Information Channel. In this video, I am going to cover an important topic on technical analysis, and that is support and resistance. And before I start the video, I make videos about the stock market, personal finance, and how to make money online. So if you're interested, you can click on the subscribe and the notification bell. Support and resistance is a very important trading concept. And to easily understand the concept, you can look at the support and resistance as a way where you can see the share price change direction on either side. And to make it even easier to understand, you can look at the sports. You could compare support and resistance as the last inning of a baseball game and also at the last 2 minutes of a basketball game. And you know perfectly, during the last inning of a baseball game or during the last 2 minutes of a basketball game, that the game will be decided. And basically support is basically a baseline of the share price. If the share price moves down, there's a high chance that the share price is not going to go under that specific price. Now, there's no guarantee that the share price is going to go under that specific price. However, it is going to help you identify some low prices on specific stocks. And one thing that I want to add to support, the more times that the share price hits that support level, the stronger the support level becomes. In addition, there are times when the share price goes under that specific support level, however the share price bounces back. And that is one of the reasons why you want to draw a support zone. And the resistance is the total opposite. And the resistance is created when the share price continues to move up and at some point the share price pulls back. And if the next time the company shares continue to move up and hits the same price and pulls back, that is going to create a resistance level. Now, one important thing to mention is that the support cannot just be horizontal, and the support level can also be in an inclined direction or a declined direction. But now let's go to the computer so I can show you exactly how you can get an idea of the support and resistance. And the first thing you gotta keep in mind is that you always want to start with the most recent price, and you can see that the price has been hit the most around the $58 price, and even though that the share price has moved up over that specific price, the 58, it has come down, so it actually created resistance in the short term. Now for the support, we can see that the support is around the $64 price, and even though that share price has not been tested that much, that's for the short term. However, when you look at the share price for Nike, you can see that the support was around the $50 price, for several months, and the resistance was around the $58-$59 price. And even though that is easy to see at this moment, you could have gotten some clues in the past. From 2016, the company started to move down, and as you saw, it hit the lowest price around the $50 price. It hit it once, hit it twice, hit it 3 times and 4 times. Once the share price was hit for the second time, you saw that the stock actually recovered and move over the $50 price. So you could actually see that the support was created at that point. But what about the resistance? And the resistance was created the same way after the share price moved around the $58 price in April of 2016. You could have seen that the share price hit in August around the $58 price, but it quickly moved down in the next few months. And it tested the same price around March of 2017, but the share price again moved down. And for the 4th time, you saw that the share price actually moved over that specific price, but the company actually pulled back again one more time, at the lowest price, that was the $50 price. And then one important thing happened during October. You saw that specific positive volume that happened from October all the way to December. And that basically means the next time that the company was at that specific resistance price, it had a huge opportunity to break the resistance and continue to set new highs. And remember, you have to keep these prices in mind if you plan to invest in that specific company for the long term. But now let's take a look at the daily stock price for Nike so you can get an idea what is the support and resistance. And just like I mentioned before, you see that support around the $63 price and the resistance around the $58 price. Now keep in mind the share price has moved over the $68 price, but the price has come down, and this is called resistance zone. And as you see, the share price has moved down over the $63 price, but at the same time it has recovered. So this is specifically a support zone. And the support level are very important. Now this is where you can get an idea how the stock price can continue set new highs. I made a video about 6 months ago where I explained about Applied Materials when the share price was hitting that specific resistance level multiple times. And I explained that the shares of Applied Materials had a good chance of breaking that resistance and set new highs. And that will happen during the next 2 weeks during the summer of 2017. I'm gonna put the link in the screen for that specific video, and you can check the last 30 minutes so you can get an idea what happened. And that is gonna be everything for this video. Please leave in the comment sections below if you have any questions regarding the support and resistance. In addition, you can click on this video to see another technical analysis video, or this video to see another video from this channel. And you can click on the subscribe to continue watching videos about the stock market, personal finance, and how to make money online. I'm going to thank you once again for watching the video. Have an excellent day and take care, my friends.